Hey guys, today I'm here with a tutorial based on my previous video. And yeah, I'm too shy to record my own voice. I uploaded a short video using an Instagram filter for drawing. And this is the result. This is my first time making a tutorial video. I hope it's helpful. First of all, I used these two pictures as references. I used straight ruler for drawing some basic lines. Just like this. I used the circular ruler and the straight ruler to improve the sketch. I forgot to tell you that I added a new layer. Now I'm trying to complete the sketch and I'm working on details. Then we add a new layer and draw the sketch again. Of course, this time completely neat and without any extra lines. Then we should add another new layer for colors and shading. Now we can remove the sketch layer and fix the small defects. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.